Hi guys, in this video I will talk about horizontal spacing in math mode. More specifically, I will show you how you can use spacing comments by giving you some examples. Before starting, let me import the package amsmath. For that, we type use package in the preamble, and inside the brackets we write down our package name amsmath. With this package, we can use the align environment. To learn more about this package and align environment, I recommend you to watch the video with the link above. To use these spacing comments, let's create an align environment. For that, we type begin, and inside the curly brackets we write align. And now we are ready to write our expression. I will use an polynomial expression y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and you can see it at the right. First, let's start with quad comment. For that, let me use a new line, and let me rewrite the same expression, but this time before the plus signs I will add quad comment. So I will just create some gap between x squared and plus and x and plus, and you can see it at the right. So the length of this quad is the current font size. When you change your font, the gap will also change, and this font size is denoted by 1m or 18 mu in terms of the length unit. So to show you the exact amount of this font size, I will write capital M here and capital M again. Yeah. Okay. For each font, its size is calculated based on the length of the capital M letter, and you can see it from this example. In equation 2 and in equation 3, their length is exactly the same. And I will also type the other comments as well. Okay, I am done with typing. To make them aligned, let's add and signs just before the equality signs. Okay, yeah. Let's wait for a second. Okay, now it's aligned over the equality signs. For the expressions, for the equations from 4 to 6, you don't see that much difference because these comments give quite the same space. For equation 7, maybe you notice that the plus term just getting closer to the x squared, and for equation 8 we just use the space in the normal text. You are just using the backslash with space, so you have to give some space after backslash. And lastly, I used qquad, and it created a larger gap between the terms. And these are already predefined spacing comments. If you want to specify the length by yourself, you can use hspace. Let's write the expression again. Instead of using qquad, this time I will use hspace, and inside the curly brackets I need to specify the length, and I know that the qquad length is equal to 2m, and to see this I just put 2m there, and here let's do the same. Okay, let's wait until it finishes compiling, and maybe you see that they are exactly the same expressions with the same amount of spaces. Another example can be instead of using 2m, you can use, for example, 1.3m and 1.3m here, and the gap will be shorter. Hspace can be very helpful when you are trying to adjust the lengths between the terms. So These spacing comments are very common in LaTeX, and if you don't prefer them, you can also use hspace basically. I hope that this video was helpful. Please leave a comment if you have any question, and see you in the next videos.